when that was even a very important, naipasa dito yung Safer Act yesterday. It was a very lengthy debate also yesterday because the original draft of the ordinance apo, no, basahin tayo yung ordinance that I oppose and try to rectify it after a lengthy discussion. Ijeng nga ordinansa, no, agpaala ka ti open space, including private areas, masapol mo ti permit. We are living a democratic institution. We are not a communist country. There is this sense of liberty, freedom to our people. We cannot restrict that. So pinaikat tayo di nga open space nga dapat mangala ka ti permit. Another, there is this the proviso nga aming nga kalsada Ilawag City, you should not be on a topless. Ang mabaling nga awan badom ti nga to. The moment nagnakat kalsada on that with that ordinance, matiliw ka. That was the intention of that draft ordinance that was being discussed yesterday. But after me explaining that it should only be limited to a certain area, kasla ko matay, sentro lang kuma, hanga amin, at just imagine, sika kuma, mesa nga ligason ti balay mo, ti sangom ti balay mo, akit kalsada. Who will get offended, supposed to be, no, adakata kalsada, nga naka-half naked ka po, topless ka ti nga to. Awan ba offend ka dito, but the moment you will step out from your house, stepping a public street, you will already be criminally liable with this ordinance. Kit nagado ti residential areas Ilawag City. So we were able to eradicate it. So with the support of our colleagues na ikat DJ street nga prohibition. Tinpan ko that was adopted by the body, akit a certain radius no eskwela, 100 meter radius no eskwela, simbaan, syempre simbaan madimet talaga, itatsendaan, city hall. Pinaikat ko pa iti barangay hall, ata ti barangay hall, adot barangay hall nga pagbabasketballan dagijay ubing. Syempre alang ngamit dagijay, it is the practice, especially in rural areas, nakauyos lahat ti tao, ng mapan makisarita ta nagpudot ti Ilawag City nga rod apo. So we were able to remove that. That is the good part with this public decency law nga ti safer cities. Unlike ka detoy piget, detoy baboy apo, adomet tinaikat in fairness met by the sponsor, inikat na dagijay imandar ti government numano ti presyo, inikat na niya. Still very alarming DJ procedure. It is prone for abuse.